Chapter 1. Introduction to Mexican Agaves. Brief history of Mexican agaves. Mexican agaves have a rich and diverse history, deeply entwined with the culture and environment of the region. The history of agaves in Mexico dates back thousands of years, with evidence of their cultivation and use in various forms by indigenous peoples. It is believed that agaves were first domesticated in Mexico around 10,000 years ago, and they have played a central role in the traditional subsistence and cultural practices of many indigenous groups. The ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, such as the Aztecs and the Mayans, revered the agave plant and considered it to be sacred. They cultivated and utilized various species of agaves for food, fiber, and medicinal purposes. The agave provided sustenance in the form of the sweet sap, aguamiel, that could be fermented into pulque, an alcoholic beverage that was a central part of religious ceremonies and social gatherings. The Spanish colonization of Mexico in the 16th century brought about significant changes to the cultivation and use of agaves. The Spanish introduced the distillation process to the region, leading to the creation of spirits such as mezcal and tequila. These spirits quickly became popular and are now synonymous with Mexican culture and heritage. Throughout the centuries, the cultivation and management of agaves have been closely linked to the traditional agricultural practices of the indigenous communities. Agave cultivation has played a vital role in the conservation of biodiversity and the preservation of traditional knowledge and practices. Today, Mexican agaves continue to be an essential part of the cultural and ecological landscape of the region. The iconic landscapes of agave fields, known as agave gardens, are recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Cultural Landscape. These agave gardens are a testament to the intricate relationship between human communities and the natural environment, serving as a living example of sustainable agriculture and biodiversity conservation. In recent years, the global demand for agave spirits has led to concerns about the sustainability of agave cultivation and the potential ecological impacts. Efforts are being made to promote sustainable agave cultivation practices and support the traditional agave growing communities. Overall, the history of Mexican agaves is a fascinating story of resilience, adaptability, and cultural significance. These plants have provided sustenance, livelihoods, and cultural identity.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?